Good evening. I greet you all in the name of the creator of the world, the number one, the only one, the owner of the world. Oluwa, Oluwa. This is the Ministry of Truth, the Return of Light. My name is Nuruddin Tijani. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the true meaning of the word America, the original meaning, and how we can learn about history through etymology. A quick reminder, I am going to be using the language of Yoruba, which is one of the West African languages. It's an ancient language. It's a very old language to etymologize this word. In my videos, I've been using the Yoruba language to etymologize different words from the Bible and other parts of history. So for those of you who haven't heard this before, I'm going to be using the Yoruba language to etymologize the word America today. So first of all, let's take a look at what Wikipedia says about the history of where the name America comes from. So according to Wikipedia, the name America is from the name of the Italian explorer called Amerigo Vespucci. So according to this article, it reads, Amerigo Vespucci, 9th of March 14, born on the 9th of March 1454 and died on the 22nd of February 1512, was an Italian explorer and navigator from the Republic of Florence, for whom America is named. So according to Wikipedia, that's the history of where the name actually came from the name of the explorer, the Italian explorer, Amerigo Vespucci. So now let's dive into this to understand the true meaning of the word America and how we can relate that to history and learn about the truth. So as you can see clearly, the name Amerigo, and from there the name America was formed. Amerigo, America. So the first thing I would like to mention quickly is that the last three letters of the word of the name Amerigo actually becomes an Ika in America. Okay, so ego, Ika, as you can see, these are actually these are the same word, but because of the pronunciation, some people pronounce ego, some people pronounce eco, some people pronounce Ika, some people pronounce ego, Iga. So in this case, the ego has become Ika, which is actually correct, but the problem is just the pronunciation of some people, or we can say the evolution of language. So to point out the obvious, go in English language is movement. That's going to be very important very soon in this video. Go means movement. Go, to move in a particular direction. So the etymology of the word America. First of all, let's write down the word America. America. So the last three letters, as I've already mentioned, is Ika. Okay, the C can be written as K because it's actually pronounced as K. So Ika. So Ika could also be Iko. This is the same thing. I'm going to explain each of them. The next one is Ego. Same thing. And then we have Ika or Eka. Okay, still the same thing. All right, Eka. So the first one is Ika. Ika means the branch or the count or the population of, okay, Ika or Ika means the population of. Iko means the movement of. In Yoruba language, Ika means the population of, Iko means the movement of. So if you want to say a vehicle in Yoruba language is oko. So the verb ko means to go, which is actually go. Like I said, go, go means to move, movement, or a vehicle that moves. Okay, that brings us to the next one, which is ego, which means the movement of, or the the working, or the moving of something. Now the fourth one here is eka. Eka means the branch. Eka means the branch. So all these four words are very important to the clear understanding of the word America. So the fourth one is eka, which means the branch. Okay, so moving on. Now, that is that. Now, the next word we're going to etymologize is Meri. Meri. Actually, there's a hidden I sound, I in this word, because it's actually an elongated E, Meri, because there are two E's. The word is actually Meri. I'm going to write it up here so you can see. Excuse me. It's actually Meri. Okay. So the word Mari in different languages actually means, it's from the word mar, or more, means the sea. Okay, it means the sea. So if you add a to the beginning of the word Amari, in Yoruba language it means of the sea. Okay, or the person who knows the movement, which brings us to the word amare. Amare means somebody who knows the movement, who knows the navigation. A person who knows the navigation is called amare. Enito moire. Okay, so amare. So putting that together, amare with oko will be amare oko. Or amarego. Amarego means the one who knows the movement of the vehicle, in this case of the ship, aka a captain. So the word America is a Yoruba word, and it actually means a captain, Amareoko, the one who knows the movement or the path or the sail of the ship. So we can now go back to the name Amerigo Vespucci, which could actually mean Captain Vespucci. So that's it. That's that. The name is actually Amerigo Vespucci, which means Captain Vespucci. So the word America it actually, in a nutshell, it means a captain. Okay, the one who knows the movement of the ship, or the sail of or the path of the ship. Now that is one clear explanation, etymology, and truth behind the name America. So there is more. So the one who knows the movement of the ship is called the captain, but there is more to the name America. So the name America also could mean Eka, like I said here, Eka Meri. So if we translate Eka, this the last three letters Eka, this one here means the people of, or this Ika, which means the population of, or the people of, or the Eka actually means branch or people. So Eka Mari, which means the people of Mari. So the word Mari actually is referring to the Moors. I'm just going to go straight to the point here. It's referring to the Moor, or the Moors, okay, who were actually the original sailors, the ancient sailors, the captains of the ships in the not too ancient times. In the past, they were the sailors, they were the voyagers, they were the ones who actually sailed from different parts of the world. So the word America could mean Eka, excuse me, Eka Mari, excuse me, Eka Mari, which could mean the people of Moors or the Moors, the people of Mari, the people of the sea. Eka Mari would mean the people of the sea. Okay, the people of the sea. Let me write that again. Eka Mari means the people of the sea, or America. America means the people of the sea. So it's not something surprising today if the name of the meaning of the word America could be the people of the sea or the Moors, because from history we learned about how sailors actually came into the land, and the fact that there are so many voyages into what is called America today, by the Moors. So we can easily say that the land of the Moors, America could be the land of the Moors, which is the same name given to a captain. Okay, a captain, the one who knows the way, who knows the path of the sea. So that is that. Then there's another thing that I found, which is the name Marika. Okay, there's a name called Marika, and if you complete the name, it actually will be America, because normally, if you write a name, I'm connecting this to Yoruba language anyway, because if you want to write a name in Yoruba language, it has to start with a vowel, which indicates a subject. For example, Alago, Alamala, Alasia, and so on and so forth. There has to be a vowel like A, E, I, O, U to show that it's a name or it's a noun. So Marika is a name which I found, which is also sounds like America, Marika. Okay, and in this Google search, it says it's a variation of Mary. Marika is a descendant of an ancient Egyptian root that means beloved. So that's very interesting also to know that there is a name actually which is Marika. It's not a surprise that if the name actually also, it's a descendant of an ancient Egyptian root, an Egyptian name. So because the Egyptians also were sailors, they were captains, they were sailors, they were seafarers, they were voyagers, and so on and so forth. So, and then I found another fact. The meaning of America in Arabic, it says a bitter or of the sea. So that's the interesting part, of the sea, belonging to the sea. So that's that. To recap, the name America means the one who knows the movement of the ship, aka the captain. So it also could mean the people of the sea, because the word mare in different languages actually means the sea. So the people of the sea, aka the Moors. So that's the truth about the name America. So I hope you've learned something new from this today, and I'll be doing more etymology video, God willing, and I'll see you in the next video. Salua.